Okay, so check this out. Um, as I said, I put all of my stuff, my business processes inside of Tana when I have to do things, right? And just to give you an idea of how things have changed in the last year and the quality of the output, I'm going to show it to you. All of the different steps that it used to take, and now how I'm going to change the super tag here to the new steps, right? So we always start off with our script and or rather that's the content and that's the script right there that the AI made for me inside of Tana, right? Those two things aren't going away. The voice MP3, I don't need that anymore because Hedra is now going to do my voice. And still need the CTA because that's my business stuff, right? But create the script or have the AI help you create it. Yes, that's true. Now I don't have to put the script into 11 labs anymore because now Hedra handles that. And I don't have to create the avatar in Midjourney anymore because I actually used the SmartGuides digital twin to create a digital twin of me. And you'll see the outcome is far, far better than the old one that I created with Midjourney. And I'll show that to you in a second. Um, but then what I had to do was I had to put it in the right, size and everything. I had to do that with Canva, had to upload that to Canva, and then I had to go to Studio DID in order to create, um, the video and upload the voice to generate the video, upscale the video, all of that. And then I would have, the link to the final video and then put it into Apple Photos, which I'll probably still need to do because it just makes it easier when you're uploading onto the social media stuff. But check this out. I'm going to show you the old video of me, and then I'm going to show you the new one. But first, let's have a look at the old one.
People often ask how I was created. Step 1, take Marnie's picture, upload that to Midjourney. Step 2, prompt Midjourney to turn Marnie into me. Step 3, use a plugin called Insight Face Swapper to superimpose Marnie's face onto mine. Step 4, clone Marnie's voice in 11 Labs and create the script for me to say. Step 5, upload the audio to Studio DID and generate the video. Step 6, upscale the video in Tela, and voila, I am born.
Well, we've come a long way, baby. First of all, last time I did this, I wasn't wearing my Apple Vision Pros, so that's number one. Um, but as you can see, the image looks a heck of a lot more like me, and that's actually because I went into the digital twin on smartguides.ai and I trained my custom model of me. So now it knows exactly what I look like, and then I prompted it, and now I have a much higher quality image of me, and I don't have to futz around with a whole bunch of different tools. I just give Hedra that one thing. So now let's go into Hedra and see what happens there. Okay, so this is the first time I've done this, so we're kind of vibing with it right now, as they say. So now I chose Hedra character 3. I chose by my 9 by 16. The resolution, let it do its auto on duration. I put the script that Tana made for me, and then, and you can see it right here. It's just, this is the script that Tana made for me, and we'll see how well, it does for that. I'm not sure. We'll see. I don't know. We might have to modify the way that the script is created. And oh my goodness, generate speech. Looks like Lost that there. There it is. Okay, and we're going to choose Marnie and add to video. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, let's just do the whole thing. I don't know. Let's see. Narrator. Whoa, I just got off a training call about the new. Okay, so now we learned that we're not going to have any of this because it looks like it's taking that. So I will modify Tana into getting rid of all of these sound effects and all that fun stuff and just giving me the raw speech. So I'm glad we did that before we created the video. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm going to trash that. And let's generate the audio. Just got off a training call about the new SmartGuides AI Omni agent, and it's a game changer. Can you believe this? Let me share some of the incredible things it can do. All right, so let's see what happens now. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to go in here and modify my Tana super tag. And so I'm going to right click on my configure tag. And then we have everything over here. And first of all, what I'm going to do is I am going to create a short second voice script from content that promotes that. Make sure that it is only one person speaking. And don't add any sounds or other information. I just want the voice script. Actually, you know what? I'm going to get rid of that because that's probably messing it up. And I might actually get rid of the setup too, but not at the moment because I haven't thought that through. So I'm just gonna change that real quick so that going forward, we don't have to deal with that information. And all of this information, I don't need anymore. Boom, gone. Okay. And we just create the script. We put the AI, the CTA in there, and now we're good to go. So this is another reason that I really love using Tana for my business processes, because as my business processes change, you can see how fast I actually went in there and I just modified the super tag and I just modified some of the AI stuff inside of the super tag, and boom, now my new business process is been changed. And now I can just move forward with what I want to do. Now let's go back and have a look and find out if our video is done. All right, it's done. Now, when I changed it, I noticed that I accidentally put it on 16 by 9 instead of by 9 by 16. But anyways, let's have a look at it. We'll look at it together. I haven't seen it yet either. So let's see. Whoa, I just got off a training call about the new SmartGuides AI Omni agent, and it's a game changer. Can you believe this? Let me share some of the incredible things it can do. The SmartGuides Omni agent is an agentic AI, meaning it can call other agents and multitask like never before. Imagine this.
It can create Google Docs, retrieve information from web searches, and even manage your CRM by adding or removing contacts. Need to organize your schedule? No problem. It can add or remove events from your calendar. Plus, it can scrape data from the web, conduct deep research, and even create Google Slides. But that's not all. It can generate images, write blog posts, and produce marketing videos. And the best part? It remembers everything, making your life and business run smoother. Ready to gain your AI edge? Visit smartguides.ai and transform the way you work and live.
Damn, I'm jealous of her. That is a good looking girl. That is really, really cool. Quite a bit different than our one from last year, right? It's amazing what technology is doing. So now, all I'm going to do is I am going to make a couple little notes inside of Tana here in our template. So we create the script, and we do still have to upload the script to Hedra and add to video. Then when we go there, add the image, from SmartGuides.ai, digital twin, and choose your aspect ratio. So choose your aspect ratio, because that is what I didn't do before, right? And that's a nice thing, is that I really like having these little things that you need to do to make sure that you're doing everything. I don't think I'd ever go down to 540.
Whoa! I just got off a
Okay,
training
cool.
call about the new
Just
smart.
stop. Okay. And then obviously I'm going to download it, and then I download it to my Google Drive, and then I would put the actual link to that file there. And then it says, put that in Apple Photos too. Yeah, and that's exactly the sequence that I would want to have, is, put those things in there, do those at those certain times. And so, again, I love Tana for being able to modify that. And what I'm sharing with you here is just the stuff that I do as a coach and consultant in my own business. This is how I use Tana in my own business and the tools that I actually use. So if you think that any of that was helpful for you today, jump on over to smartguides.ai, join us, teach you how to use all of these wonderful tools in your coaching or consulting business. I almost forgot, before we quit here, what is the next step from this? Remember how on one of our earlier things it was about project planning? It was that one, harnessing Plan for effective project management. And what I did was I put the promote super tag on it. And I'm going to do the exact same thing here, because now we are going to actually promote this item here, which is great. Um, and that's actually how I do it, is I create the whatever it is, right? And in the other time, I was showing you how I use it when I produce the videos, just like we produced today. I'm actually going to use the produce tag to create this whole video and then a blog post from it. And now, then we're going to promote it. But for this little AI influencer, now I need to put her into the promotion. And so I'm going to do that right now. I just added the promote, and there we go. I'm just going to move along and do that. I just wanted to share that with you, that is my next thing that I'm working on. All right. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you learned a lot from this. And it still blows my mind how much technology has changed. I can imagine probably next year, all I'll have to do is actually use my Omni agent, use WhatsApp, talking to my Omni agent or whatever other tool, and I'll just say, hey, make me an AI influencer, and it will go out and do all of this stuff for me. That's what I'm thinking in the future. We'll see where we get. Maybe I'll do another video like this a year from now. Anyways, have a great day.